Hi, to disable dial patterns on your Redmi Note 14 5G, firstly let me show you how it sounds when enabled. For that you need to open this phone app and just input something on the keyboard. This is how it sounds with enabled dial pad tones. If you'd like to disable it, then go in Settings. From here choose Sound and Vibration tab. And after that, scroll down and select Additional Settings. Now in System Sounds, you should see this option Dial Pad Tones. So when this feature is blue, then this feature is enabled. And to disable, just tap on the switcher so it will become gray. And let's test it. And now as you can see, we got no sound, no dial pad tones. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.